Hi everyone, my name is Hardian. I'm a short degree student in Creative Media and Game Technologies at Saxion University of Applied Science. In this video, I will tell you about my project Creative Technologies. This project focused mainly in finding out about new technologies that we don't know about it yet, see how they work, and create something interactive with it. In this project, I'm trying to combine Pacer framework with Node.js and Socket.io to make a multiplayer game. To start this project, I made 11 development steps. These steps will help me to focus and have a clear goal of what should I finish while doing this project. In the first week, I was able to explore different kinds of technologies and see which one suit me best. I started exploring Pacer framework. Pacer is a 2D game framework for making HTML5 games for desktop and mobile. It's also an open source framework, so we can learn how to make a game just by following examples from the website or other sources. To get started, I followed the tutorial and created a very simple game with Pacer framework, and the result looks like this. Continuing to explore other technologies, I found Node.js and Socket.io. Node.js is an easy-to-use, flexible, and cross-platform tool. It is supported on a good number of server hosting platforms for web applications, and is easy to install on a dedicated server of our own, so finding a host should not be a problem. Socket.io is a powerful and flexible server-side and client-side component that enables real-time networking in our browser. The most appealing about Socket.io is the simplicity, which is extremely useful when writing server and client code. Among many of these great modules available for Node.js, there is a web framework called Express. It covers serving files, complex routing, client authentication and sessions, and much more. It fits perfectly into the stack between Socket.io and the clients, where Socket.io can serve its files to the clients through Express, and Express can handle the game content for us. I'm combining step 4 to 6 because in these steps, I followed a tutorial in Game Dev Academy, and turns out it was very helpful. In this tutorial, I found out how to work with Node.js and Socket.io and how to combine them with Pacer framework. I also learned some technical things about Pacer. After I done follow the tutorial, this is the result. I am very happy with the result and plan to make this as the base of my game. In steps 7 and 8, I'm trying to figure out how to make a lobby. Because this is a multiplayer game, I think a lobby is necessary. At first, I'm stuck in this step, but after some research and consultation, I'm able to find out what I need to do. To make a lobby, I need to make a game stage. A game stage is something like a stage level. In this case, I will use this to make a main menu, level select, and lobby. After I done figuring out how to make a lobby, my next step is to make a sprite to play inside the game. I'm using a third-party software called Sprite. This software really helped me to design my sprite, and I'm also designing the interface for the game. Once I'm done designing the sprite and the interface, I'm going to export my sprites to PNG and JSON file and animate them later. I've moved on to design my game map. I'm also using a third-party software called Tile. This software really simplifies how to make a tile map for HTML5 games. When I'm done designing the map, I also export the map into a JSON file. To animate the sprites, I need to load the PNG and JSON file I've made before and load them to my function in the game stage. It's sad for me to say this, but it's likely impossible for me to finish the project in time. So, I decided that this is the last step of my project. After I finish the last step, this is the end result of my game. At the beginning, I really had struggled on how I should approach this project. Even though I failed to finish this project, in the end, I really have to say that this was a really good experience. I learned a lot about Pacer framework, Node.js, and Socket.io. And I'm confident this experience will help me in the future. Thank you all for the support, especially from my teacher and people who helped me in the process. Thanks for watching.